Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 3. I'm in a chair today. Don't be fooled. Chair yoga can be an amazing practice. It's going to be short and sweet. So grab a chair, maybe go outside, join me outside on your deck or your patio, and let's get started. Feet are going to be directly under the knees. Notice that I'm in this perfect L shape. Remember yesterday when we were on all fours, and I know some of you can't get there? This is all fours. Check it out. It's the same shape. So when we're in a chair on all fours, hands are going to be here instead of the floor. We're going to come through 6 directions of the spine from a chair. And then I want to show you just a fun sequence. So sit nice and tall. Remember, palms away from you opens up your heart. So go ahead and do that. Remember what you're growing in there. And let's do all 6 directions right out of the gate. We're going to inhale, reach up, grab your left wrist, exhale, pull. Inhale back to center, grab your right wrist, exhale, pull. Inhale back to center, make your hands into a basket, weave them. We're going to pull to the right. Remember the spin, come back to center, pull to the left. Come back to center, flip your basket. You're going to reach the basket up, lean back, look up, and then on your exhale, pull the heart in, stretch your arms out in front, round your spine. There's that flexion. There's the extension. So let's go through all 6 directions 2 times through. Put your hand on your heart first. Remember your seed. I'm growing hope. Take a breath. Empty the breath. Turn your palms away. Here we go. Inhale up. Exhale over. Inhale up. Exhale over. As you inhale up, weave your hands into the basket. Exhale, lower in front. Take a breath. Exhale, spin. Inhale back to center. Exhale, spin. Big inhale here. Come back to center. Flip it. On your exhale, lean back. Inhale back to center. Exhale, lower your arms, round your spine, look at your heart. Let's do all of that again. Release the basket, turn your palms, exhale. Here we go. Inhale up. Exhale over. Inhale up. Exhale over. Inhale, make the basket. Exhale, return. Take a breath. Spin. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale up. Inhale. Flip your basket. Reach up. On your exhale, lean back. Good morning. Stretch. And then exhale, pull the heart in. Tuck the chin. All right. Lower your palms. Isn't that amazing? All right. We're going to take the legs wide like we're sitting on the horse. We did this yesterday standing. Thumbs to the inside, fingers to the outside. Let's lean forward. Now, turn and look over your right shoulder. Feel that? Come back to center. Turn and look over your left shoulder. Come back to center. One more time each side. Look right. Back to center. Look left. Back to center. And then rise. Take your right arm, lower it to your right thigh, and just let it rest. Don't drill in, but just let it rest. Take your left arm out to the side. Flip your palm, and then reach up and over. Really think about left side body here. This is called side angle from a seated position. Reach your left fingertips. This should be opening up your left hip, left lower back. Should feel nice. Take a breath. On your exhale, let's switch. Left arm comes down. Remember, every transition should be graceful, connected to breath. Left hand goes down. Don't drill. Just lift the heart. Right arm goes out. Lift the palm. And here we go. Up and over. Really focus on stretching from the right armpit into the right hip. Feel that. Got lots of birds today. Inhale back up. Exhale, let it float. Now that you know where we're going, let's do it one more time. Right arm lowers. Left arm reaches. On your exhale, flip the palm over. Inhale back up. Exhale, let it float. Left arm goes down. Inhale, right arm rises. Flip the palm, exhale over. Inhale back up. Exhale, let it float. Walk your feet in close. Do it mindfully. Everything we do is mindful. Grab your left leg, bring it into your chest and squeeze. While it's there, rotate the ankle. All right, now I'm sitting at the close edge of my chair, so I'm not leaning on the back. See if you can sit really tall. Don't use the back. That builds core support. Left hand's going to stay on the left knee. Left knee is going to open. It's called gate pose. My right leg wanted to open with it. I'm going to keep it neutral. Right arm reaches out. Flex your left foot. This is a beautiful balance work. You should be pushing into your right foot a bit. Lift a little higher. Take a breath. And return everything. Let's try the right side. Squeeze it in. Rotate the ankle. We forget about those small joints. Right hand stays. Left hand reaches and the right knee opens. There goes that left hip. Squeeze it in. Lots of mindfulness here. Flex your right toes. Hold and breathe. Hold and breathe. Opening up the hips here. Come back to center. Lower everything. Now pick up your left leg. Cross it over your right. If you cannot cross, like you have a skirt on, you could cross at the ankle and put left over right. If you're able to do knee over knee, do that. Tee out your arms. We're going to take left under, make an X. For many of us, we will just simply grab our shoulders. If you have shoulder flexibility, does not make you better or less than, you will grab your hands, palm to palm. This is called eagle pose. Now, wherever you're at, hands on shoulders or hands connected, we're going to lift the elbows. You're going to feel a big stretch through the scapula, those shoulder blades. Now, squeeze your thighs together. I always like to say, like you have $100 bill in there. Squeeze like you mean it. Lift your elbows. Lift, lift, lift. Squeeze like you mean it. Take a breath. We're going to unfurl, uncross the arms gracefully. Circle your arms up, big breath. Keep your legs crossed, and you're going to fold over your crossed legs. Should feel nice. This is great for sciatic pain. Right now, we're addressing the left side. Tuck your chin. Inhale, feel the body up. Turn your palms. Uncross your legs. Wiggle your hips a little bit. Okay, that's a lot for the hips. Great for the pelvic floor. Let's try the other side. Right leg over left. You decide if it's at the ankle or the knee. Sit nice and tall. I'm not slouched. I'm sitting nice and tall. Tee out your arms. Right to under left. Make the X. Grab your shoulders. This is fine. If this is where you're at, you can actually grab onto your shoulders and separate your shoulder blades a bit, which is nice. And you're going to lift your elbows just like you do if your hands are connected. Remember, our joints, our bones, it's all dependent on your cup shape. If your hip cup is very deep like this, you're not going to get the rotation of somebody who has a shallow cup. It has nothing to do with flexibility or muscles or being good at something. It's bone structure. So if your shoulders don't do this, it's because of your cup shape, not because you're not good enough. All right, here we go. Inhale, lift your elbows. Now squeeze that $100 bill between your legs. This is addressing blood pressure. It regulates. So if it's high, it comes down. If it's low, it goes up. Squeeze the joints. Squeeze the thighs. Maybe close your eyes. Take a breath. Empty the breath. Inhale here. Lift it in. Circle your arms down. Inhale up. And let's fold over those legs. Tuck your chin. Should feel really nice. So this is right side sciatic pain. You should feel a nice stretch through. Inhale to rise. Turn your palms, uncross your legs. Let's take a couple twists. Left over right. You can take your right hand behind you. Grab your chair or not. Spin to the right. Come back to center. Right over left. Left hand loops. Spin to the left. Beautiful day. Come back to center. Now, hold your seed. We're going to come back to this all month long because it's so important to have an intention of how you want to show up. Maybe for today, maybe for this yoga practice, maybe for the entire month, maybe for the rest of the year. maybe for your life. How do you want to show up? What do you want to grow in your heart? This month, I'm growing hope. First thing the seed does is it opens. The seed grows. Hope will soon scatter to others, and it will return to me. Take a breath. And take a breath. Open your seed. Grow your seed. Scatter your seed. Let's do it one more time. Open your seed. Grow your seed. What is it that you are growing? Scatter and return. Now, we're not going to do chair exclusive practices a lot, but I do want to dabble it in because sometimes we're at work, sometimes we're at our desk, sometimes we don't want to get on the floor, sometimes we can't get on the floor. And I want to show you that you can still have a beautiful yoga practice, a lot of opening up of the body. Today was a lot of back, shoulders. And then we're going to do another one in a couple of weeks. That's really going to target the hamstrings because that's where people who sit a lot get the tightest in the back of the leg. So we're going to come to that later. For today, day 3, your heart is beginning to grow. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow, day 4. Bye.